What's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. Today we got another freebie for you all to check out. That's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so download right away. Now this one is nice. It's called Senrinel. I like the look, the layout, the design. Everything is nice about this watch face. Even in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look, same design, same info. And when the watch face is on, this is an analog/digital. This is definitely a good look for a casual watch face. Now, I do like the fun analog hands. They do look nice along with the small digital time that's going to be in the middle of the watch. Not bad at all. You're going to get your date there. You're going to get a nice smooth second hand as well. You're going to get your battery info and also your heart rate info as well. Now you get Senrinel spelled out over here on the side, which isn't a bad look at all. So I thought it was pretty cool for a casual dress down watch face. And if I double tap, well, let me double tap over here, I could change the color to a few different colors and all, and it's not bad. Question is always, at the end of the day, what did you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.